Hi, welcome to Virtual Engage. In the next 10 minutes, you will see a demo online live class on Android software development from our expert trainer.
In this video, we will see how can we implement a custom toast in our mobile application. So this is how your mobile application look like. Here's a button. When I click on this button, we get a toast. This is your custom toast layout. So without wasting any time, let us go ahead with implementing a custom toast in our mobile application. So go to our activity main.xml file, drag and drop the button. I have dragged the button here and dropped it here. I'll name the button as click here for custom toast. Set the margin as 20 dp and text size to 20 dp. So let us assign a constraint for the button. So your main activity main.xml file is ready. So whenever I click on this button, I should get a custom toast. For this, we will implement a on click method for this button. So on click, I'll give a method name as show custom alert. Here you can see it's giving me a red line. Right click on the show custom text. There is an option show context action. Click on create show custom alert. This will create a method for you. So whenever you click this method here, click here for custom toast. This will call this method and perform whatever the actions is been given. Now for custom toast you will need to have a resource, that is new XML file. So go to resource folder, layout folder, create a new XML file and name the XML file. I'll name it as custom layout. Yeah, my custom layout.xml is ready. I'll implement a button here, text view for now. I'll give the text as this is my custom toast layout. Setting the margin to 30 dp. It's pretty small. We can increase the font size, text size to 30 dp. Yeah, now it is pretty clear. Now go back to activity main.xml. Create a layout inflator object. Assign a name to your object. Get layout inflator. Basically this method is used to read an XML file. That is, now we are going to read the custom layout.xml file with the help of this object layout inflator. View, I'll give the name as custom viewer, and with the help of layout inflator dot inflate, there are two parameters required: resource, that is a custom XML resource. We will provide the custom layout.xml as the resource. Let r dot id dot sorry not edit layout dot custom layout. Yeah, this is our XML file. And the next is view group root. The required parameter is view group root. We will have to provide the main root component id of the resource XML file. So this is our custom layout.xml. we will provide a ID for the linear layout, that is the root layout, root component of this XML file. So we will assign an ID for this. We will give the name as custom toast layout, and here I will provide the root ID with the help of find view method custom toast layout. So we have assigned the two parameters, that is the XML resource. The first parameter is XML resource and the second parameter is the root ID of the component. Here it is giving me an error, that is cast parameter to second. Cast second parameter to Android view. Okay, we have casted the view group. Create a toast object. Here the context is required, so I'll pass this. Now you will be thinking that why I have created a view. That's because I will be assigning a view for this toast, that is toast.setView. We will assign a view for this toast, that is custom toast view. That's it. So toast.set, now show. So whenever we click on this button, that is click here for custom toast, it will call this method, that is show custom alert, and with the help of layout inflator, this will read this custom.xml file and convert it into a view, and this view will be assigned to a toast and the toast will be shown. So let us run the example program. Here's my virtual device. There is some process running on installing the app. Installed successfully. So let the app open. So this is my app. My app is ready. When I click on this button, I'm getting a toast as, see here, this is my customer. Actually the toast is getting overlay. The toast is overriding the button. So let us set the gravity for the toast. I'll set the gravity to center so that the toast is shown at the center of the screen, and set the offset as 0 and 0. So now let's append the application. Changes have been applied. So now when I click on this button, see, now the toast is being shown in the middle of the screen. So this is how you can implement a custom toast layout in your application.
Please visit our website www.virtualengage.com to explore our services. Thank you for watching this video.